Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is going to be a quick, well, I say it's quick because I've been doing makeup for 7 years now, so this is like a quick makeup look for me, and it is just the right amount of glam, I feel, but it's not super over the top. So to me, this is like quick, easy, glamorous makeup. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so I just finished the majority of my face makeup. I'm going to leave a card above for you to check that out. So getting right into the eyes, I'm taking the Naked Decay, oh my gosh, the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette, and that shade Keeper, which is like a really beautiful golden brown. I'm going to take that and start really defining my crease. This brush is a MAC 217. It is the perfect blending brush. It is by far my favorite blending brush that I own. And so what I like to do is I just like to define that crease and then really define that like brow to nose contour area. I just feel like it looks so beautiful. It is my favorite eyeshadow trick. It just really makes your eyes stand out, and it also defines your brows a little bit more. So that is probably my #1 recommendation for slaying your eyeshadow every day. And so next I'm going to take the deepest shade, the deepest matte shade from the palette, and I'm going to take a little liner brush and just line the outer portion of my eyes just to make a little bit of a faux liner. And now I'm taking this really beautiful white shade. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I'm going to do a faux cut crease just to make that inner corner pop a little bit and to show my lid a little bit more, you know, show it off a little. Oh, I feel so funny. I have my little Blue Yeti microphone and I feel like I'm podcasting. Anyways, back to the 217 brush. I'm just blending it a little bit better so there's no harsh edges anywhere, and taking that liner brush again and now bringing the really deep shade into my inner corner of my lash line and winging it out just a hair. And now I'm going to take that same golden brown shade we used in the crease. Again, all of us here at the JB Studios, taking the shade Keeper, and I think that was a pencil brush. You can also use a blending brush, but I kind of have smaller real estate to work with down there, so I like to use a little bit finer of a brush. And lastly, we are just doing our eye, what are those called? Our lashes. Holy smokes, you guys. I'm just taking any mascara here, and then I'm going to take my Lily lashes in, I believe it's NYC, and just pop those on really quick. And that about finishes it, you guys. I think these small little tips will make you slay your eyeshadow, your eyes every day. So those are my little tips. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I think it is super gorgeous. I think that it is just a few tips and a few things that I do to make me feel so beautiful with like minimum, I mean it's like 27,000 different things of makeup, but I feel like it's minimal. It's not too crazy on the eyes, but it's just enough to make me feel so good about myself, and that's what matters, you know? If you feel good, it's a good day. I don't know what I'm saying. So my bottom line is I love this. I love how it turned out, and I hope you guys learned a few things or just got to hang out with me. So thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like this video and follow me on social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.